Hi Brenda, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much for your email. So I will be happy to give you a sort of short overview of your website. I remember that I was reviewing it about a year or 2 years ago, and I'm a big fan of these products. And I think you have a unique niche, which is something that people are craving at the moment, which is really important. But your main inquiry is whether you should stay with WordPress or whether you should move to Shopify. Now, I'm a big fan of WordPress. My website is on WordPress, so I have moved to this platform, and I'm a big fan. However, I know that WordPress has got limitations when it comes to selling online, and Shopify obviously is built specifically for e-commerce owners, so specifically in mind of selling. So obviously it has got a choice of powerful apps and really handy solutions that don't come as standard with WordPress or WooCommerce. So while I don't think you need to switch, obviously this is quite a drastic step. But obviously you can customize your website further in order to convert your visitors into buyers. So at the moment your website, I hope you don't mind, your website has got a lot of text which ideally shouldn't be on the website with that wants to sell, because it indicates it has got a blog structure. So many people, when they visit your homepage, it definitely does still look like a blog, because I would say it's like 20% of images, the 80% is of text. So I would definitely, the best improvement is to have more images, more promotional materials. I've seen on your Instagram that you have got really fantastic videos of people using and reviewing your product. So this is something that definitely, if implemented here, that definitely can catch attention and actually help you convert. Because your website at the moment, I mean, I love the colors. It really suits your branding, and obviously, you're from Canada, so it builds your authentic branding. But it does need this kind of more commercial feel and more urgency for people to take action and buy. And I don't think WooCommerce obviously is built for that purpose, or WordPress is built for that. I know WooCommerce is built for that purpose, but obviously this platform's purpose is more on, on people who are more focused on SEO and obviously building powerful platforms, but selling is the secondary focus of WordPress. So obviously their attention doesn't go towards that. Um, I love your shop. I love your shop page. So collections. Yeah, I mean it is great. It is great because you've got three images. They're all cropped at the same, on the same line, so it gives you very clean layout. But at the moment, it doesn't really show how amazing your products are, and this is what you would want to portray, because once you dive into your social media and actually understand how the product benefit, you actually want to buy them, and you would want to translate it onto your website to convince people to sort of to use the promos and images that almost jump out of the pages, and make people just really crave buying your products. So that definitely can be done. Yeah, the buy now button, as you can see, it's sort of it's almost very shy, and this is the downside of WooCommerce or of WordPress, that obviously the conversion, the buying isn't their focus. So obviously the design to convert isn't really their main attention. This buy now button should be, much bigger, much more prominent, almost jumping out. So I didn't really see it until now, and I've seen the collection page before making the video. Okay, add to bag. So the button is here, which is great. Yes, I mean, compared to the Shopify product pages, I can definitely see the difference. I can definitely see fewer elements that can help you convert visitors into shoppers. So it still feels like a blog. It still feels like a blog that sells as a secondary element. And I hope you don't mind me saying it, because I sort of work with Shopify website or Shopify stores on everyday basis. So the differences jump out to me, and I know that these little things now definitely can help you boost sales. So for example, you should really want to see the product descriptions here. The share button don't need that much attention, so they can be below the product description. You would want related products here. Maybe you would want a video of somebody using this product. That definitely can help you convert better. Your info page and your story page is so authentic. It is so fantastic, and I love to work with your brand, because I love working with brands that offer something unique, because it's just so much easier to find customers that are most likely to buy. So that definitely is a great plus. I love that you've got a photo of you and your mom on your story page, and you mentioned that those products are handmade by the Northerners. So obviously you add this kind of authentic wording, and you connect with your target audience, which is really, really important. I love this bit of how you pronounce the words. It's like personal attention. So that's what I like, and that's how many e-commerce stores sort of lack this kind of personal connection that you create, which is fantastic. Okay, so you've got the address. There's a PO box, but it's still great that you are displaying it on your page, so you are not hiding. So this is building your trust. Okay, so this is a list of retailers where you can buy your products, which is very trustworthy as well, which is fantastic. Okay, and you've got a blog, and you are blogging. You've got articles, which is great. Okay, that is really good. That is really good. Blog is important, and it's getting more and more important for SEO. So that's really fantastic. When it comes to your SEO score, so I have run a quick review. So you score 60 out of 100, which is really good. So that's fantastic. The meta description, now Google updated the length of meta description, so I think they updated it back to 150, 160, depends on the characters. Meta title, I would love to see something more substantial here. So Aurora Heat, adding some kind of urgency, explaining what you're offering straight away, because many people just read the first line. That they don't bother reading the second line of the listing in Google, because many people, when they're shopping online, they want instant results. So obviously they just sort of scan the results. So optimizing this meta title, not only with your target keyword, but also with adding description what you are offering in a few words, it definitely can help you get more traffic and improve your SEO rank or Google rank in the long run. For some reason your pages don't have H1, which by default should be assigned to the page titles, and I know the WordPress is quite strong when it comes to SEO optimization. So I think the pages and blog post settings will need to, I would need to analyze to see whether the H1 tags are assigned to the page titles. I love that you've got those keywords here: authentic Canadian, natural fur warmers, hot foot and body, as H2 is very important. This is great. You've got H5 here, so it should ideally be H3, but if you'd like to use a smaller font, you can style it, but use H3 and obviously H4 and so on. Your keyword density, it's quite good. Now when it comes to the other tools, okay, this is very good. So you've got title tags, meta description tag in place. Yes, I mentioned there's no H1 tags yet. Okay, warmers in title, heading tags. So yeah, adding them to the titles can also make a difference. Foot warmers. Okay, so they obviously will need to be added to those elements. Image alt tags. I'm sure you've got image alt tags. Sometimes this tool doesn't detect them automatically. Okay, friendly URLs. Now the URLs are better to be shorter. They are more SEO friendly, so optimizing them can definitely help you improve your SEO. Okay, there are some errors with the H1 tags. The title check. Yeah, so maybe it's a bit too short according to this. As I mentioned, the meta description is a little bit too short. That's why it's displayed like this. So it's best to it's too long. So it's best to keep it shorter. H1 tag not found. Okay. So I wouldn't say there's a lot of, yeah, the alt attribute definitely need to be more SEO friendly. So adding actually this describing the image as what it represents, it's better to use it here, and obviously the image titles before uploading them. Okay, this, for some reason you use image with a text, which takes quite a lot of space, because ideally you would want images to be maximum 70 kilobytes, and obviously it's for graphic files. If you use text within the image, there's really no point to use it as an image, because you would have much more benefit for SEO if you actually use it as a text within the page. Otherwise, Google can't really read the text within the image, and it just takes unnecessary space, which can slow down your website. Okay, the rest seems to be great. Okay, internal links, external links. I haven't really checked the Google, the broken links, but obviously that can be done. And yeah, when it comes to the mobile view, obviously you would want to have an image and some kind of text with a call to action, so people can easily jump to other sections of your website. And now with mobile first indexing, Google takes into consideration the mobile version of the website first before ranking the desktop version. So optimizing the mobile version to convert visitors and obviously making the mobile version SEO friendly should be now the first focus. The focus, primarily focus, and obviously optimizing this desktop website can be done later on when working on a conversion SEO. So I hope you found this review useful, and in my opinion, yes, changing to Shopify can help you with the conversion. SEO wise, I still think that WordPress is more powerful, obviously, when optimized the right way. But if as you're running an online shop, as your aim is the conversion and sales, Shopify has got much more to offer for you as a business, and especially if you want to grow your business, has got much more to offer than WordPress. So I hope you found this useful, and thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.